Prior to 2015, it was a MAP sensor. 2015 and later, it's a TMAP sensor. The intake air temperature sensor is integrated into the TMAP sensor. Now, when it does fail, it fails to indicate the correct barometric pressure and fails to indicate the correct intake vacuum. So what you're going to see is the engine is going to be difficult to start, or it's not going to start at all. Those are usually the most common symptoms. Key on, engine off, we can take a look at that MAP or TMAP value using live data. And when that key is on and the engine is off, the pressure that it's indicating is barometric pressure. So what we want to do is make sure that pressure matches your location altitude. For example, sea level is about 14.7 psia, 10,000 feet is 10.1, and I think if you were to go up to 15,000 feet, you're somewhere around like 8 or 9 psia. If you turn the key on and you see MAP values or TMAP values being, say 8.6 or 8.7, but you're at roughly sea level, you should know right away that there is something wrong. Make sure the connector is seated and the locking tab is locked. Again, very low failure rate. I know of 6 in 10 years, so not likely to fail.